Hi, so in this video I am going to tell you how to swipe and match with the potential date on Tinder. So first you need to open your Tinder application, then this interface will be open to you. Now you have option of swiping right and swiping left, or you can see here a option of cross and heart. Okay, so you can just use these options to swipe or to accept or reject. Okay, so for example, I don't like this account, so I can just easily click on cross, or I can just swipe it left. Okay, so that will be cancelled. Okay, so if I like this account, I can just easily click on heart button, or I can just right swipe it, and that will be I can just right swipe it, and that will be a like for that person. Okay, so you can easily use this right and left swipes to find your potential date.